Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hope. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do some styling of my 2-strand twist. So I went ahead, 2-strand twisted my hair. All of this is mine, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to wear some styles you could use if you decide to twist your hair. So style number uno, you can leave it down. Just simply leave it down like this. Okay, gel the edges, make sure your edges are laid, and just leave it like this, right? Okay, style number two, and go ahead and just bring a little hair to the front, pin this up. There we go, you see? Bobby pin this one up, and then leave the rest down. Cute, huh? Started. Style number three, so I'm just gonna twist the front like so. So bobby pin this up like this. Bobby pin that, but that'll do for now. Okay, so as you can see, cute, right? Okay, so what number are we on? I can't even keep up. I think we're on number 3. All right, so I can do a full half up, half down. Full half up, half down. There you go. You see that? Bam. Bam. You can still bring it to the side. I feel like my half up is not in the middle. Alright, make sure yours is centered. Mine feels like it's not centered. Move over. Alright. It'll do. It'll do. But you get the picture. I feel like it's not centered. But now let's do the famous pigtails. When I twisted my hair, I already parted it in the middle. So I technically already have a middle part. Camera, because I'm looking at the viewfinder. So I know you guys probably think I'm staring in your soul, but I'm looking at it, using it as a mirror. Oh, look at this. I love this. I love this so much. I don't know where I'm going to wear this to, but I like this a lot. Ooh. Okay, and then another hairstyle you could do is turn it into a bun. Just wrap, hold on. Just wrap your pigtails around, like so. Do you see this? Magic, bro, magic. Okay, maybe not that magical, but whatever. And then do that to the other one. Wrap it. Wow, that's horrible. That's not cute. I feel like this one is cuter. But we can do this, and then even if we like, we can pull some. Hello, hey, you see that? Bam. That's it. Can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Alright, next. What we're gonna do is, okay, so we're gonna braid this over. We can braid one side like so. If you can't braid, then you can just twist. We're gonna leave this here. And then we're gonna bobby pin it. Perfect. Oh my god, guys, you see this? Oh my god, this is so cute. Edges slayed, okay, hair did. Who needs weave? Who needs a weave? I don't. I'm kidding, I do. After this, I'm throwing one on. But this is cute. This is really cute. I really don't even want to take this down. Side 2 pigtails with the half down. What? I love this. I love this. What? We're gonna do side, half up, half down. And now tell me this is not cute. Now it may not be as smooth because the hair is kind of fresh, but tell me you don't like this. I know you're lying. Girl, stop. You know this is the shit. You know this hair is the shit. Alright. We're gonna take the entire hair, I mean all of it, and then we're gonna put that into a side ponytail. I should really keep my hair and twist more, but they just take so long to do. I'm not gonna lie, they take a long time to do, especially since when I did it I was trimming it. You can even pull out this little piece on the side. You can even pull out another piece just to lay on your shoulder. You can even pull, you can pull as many as you want, so it can give you like a little cascade of hair falling down to your shoulders. Bam, you see that? It could be a different style. I just gave you a different, I just gave you 2 styles in one. Come on, this hot girl summer, y'all ain't ready. Even, okay, another style. You can go ahead and do a side bun. Man, this is good. This is good. This is beautiful. Like this you guys see that? Now moving on. So I can do a high ponytail, very high on my forehead kind of ponytail. Go ahead, twist it, and then wrap, 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 bun. It could be better, but you get the idea. Perfect. Do you see this? Perfect. I love this. I can rock this right now. I'm gonna do one more for you guys because my camera's about to die. Twist, twist, twist. Put a hairband to it, hold it, and then twist this one. And then like cross them over, twist, and pull out a few. Okay, now this is definitely wedding hair. Right? Isn't this cute? Pull a couple down. But this is what it looks like. Okay guys, I had so much fun doing all of those hairstyles for you guys. If you enjoyed that video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comments bar below of which hairstyle is your favorite. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in my next one, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.